Where'd you go?
Here.
Product review time. New stuff just arrived. We have the round head adapter from Godox. So we have the adapter to make the head of your standard speedlight or flash round here. And we have the accessory kit that attaches onto the adapter. So this is the AK-R1. The model for the adapter is the S-R1. Inside the kit, you can find a dome diffuser, a diffuser plate, four-wing reflector or the barn door, a bounce guard, honeycomb grid, color filters, rubber snoot, and the portable bag. So this thing is this small. And inside are all of those things. Let's take a look. Your color filters are here. So you have white ones, green ones, orange ones. You have your bounce card here. Your dome here. Your rubber snoot here that collapses, that folds down and like expands back up. Here, this is it. And your other filter things that are all here. So let's take a look at the adapter first. We have several speed lights over here. We have the Yongno YN660, the Godox V860, the Cactus RF60X, and of course the Godox AD200. So while I was looking at this earlier, I was wondering if this would fit only the AD200, and then I got all of these out. Surprisingly, it fits all of them. So fits on like this, and then you tighten it by screwing, turning this knob here. The V860, the reason why I have all these other flashes out here is because the V860, the head of this is similar to the Canon 580 EX2s and the Yongnuo 560 series. The YN660 on the other hand has a bigger head, and the Cactus has a bump right here. So to show you that it still fits on the YN660, here, does fit fine. Of course, it also fits on the AD200, which is here, this way. Okay, so now let's look at the accessories. So I'll put this on here to free up my hands, and then I'm going to put the adapter on here, tighten it down there. So now the adapter is on your speed light. So this is one of the accessories that came in the box. It does not come with a user manual, and I did have a bit of a hard time figuring it out, because when you look at this, it does not attach in any way to this. There's no way to attach it. That's because, and this is the cool part, these can be attached by magnets. Yeah, cool. So there, you can easily take them out, like snap them back on. There are 4 magnets here. There's probably 4 magnets also here, and this has a front and the back. So if you're not sure which is which, just just put it here. If it snaps on, holds down, that's the right way to put it. But if you do it this way, it snaps on, then it tends to slip off. That's the wrong way. So there. So it's cool because it's this easy to change your attachments on this. So let's take a look at each of the attachments. This is the grid there, and this has nothing on it because you can take your colored filters like this one, and then if you could see, could you this has like a groove here. There's 4 of them. Is that clear? Yeah, 4 of them here, and at the back of this there are also 4 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where you slot them in like this here, and then it's as simple as throwing it on here so you can attach them. Oh yeah, the other accessories. So that's a blank one. This is the, I think, diffusion panel, and then this is your barn door right here. So the cool thing about them is if you want to stack them, you can stack them. You don't have to take one off and use the other. Since they use magnets, it's as simple as that. And add one more, although I don't know why you'd want to do this. There. Simple as that. Looking at the other accessories, this is your bounce card right here. To put your bounce card on, you have to use this attachment, and all you have to do is to slide this on there, and then it has a small lock right there. It's on and you're good to go. For the snoot, all you have to use is this blank one, put it on, and there. It doesn't hold that well, but it's so light that it doesn't matter. See? Fits on there well. And the dome. The dome also has magnets on it. So, there. Again, this is a very cool product from Godox. You can add attachments, you can stack them, you can easily take them off, and for the price, what's the price? 3 something? 3 or 4 something thousand pesos. It's very affordable, and it's a very cool product for you to carry on wherever you go. Everything in this small package right here. So that's a look at the Godox S-R1 attachment and the AK-R1 kit for your round head right there. Okay, like, subscribe, go photo, bye.